Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll learn how to create this rotating arc test in Figma, and after this, you can add it to your designs to make them more appealing to the eye. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is to duplicate the screen, Alt and drag. Now we want to remove this text and create another text. Now, in order to achieve this round nature of the text, we're going to have to use a plugin. Now, when you come to this plugin, you're going to see that a lot of these plugins can actually give you the round text. But I prefer this arc plugin because it's very fast and it just gives you what you want. But unfortunately, it's not accessible to me right now. So we're going to use the circular text. When you click on it, this is going to pop out. All you have to do is just paste your text and you generate. Now let's bring our text closer to the design. Now let's change the color to white here. Now each of these texts, because firstly let's adjust this. You can adjust it the way you want it. Alright, now if you come to the layers panel, you're going to see the text. The letters are all separated, so you click on the first and you come to the very last, hold shift and click. What we want to do is to change the font, change the font family and the size. So we're going to use plus Jakarta San, and this would be bold. Let's make it 14, or rather let's leave it at 30. Then we want to Control G, group, Command G. Now everything is grouped. The next thing we want to do, the reason why we grouped the text is so they can be together, so you can easily work on it. Now after grouping it, all you have to do is right click on your keyboard and you come to frame selection and add a frame to this. Now we're going to work with the group for now instead of the frame. So what you have to do is come over here and make this a component. Then you add variants. Now when you select the second, you're going to select the second variant, and when you click on it, when you select it, make sure you're going straight to the group. Make sure you're selecting the group and not the frame. So once you click on the group, once you select it, you come over here and change the rotation. We'll make this 120. You come to the second one, you come to the third one, sorry, select the group, you come over here, 240. And the next thing we want to do is to prototype this. Now when you're prototyping, you can click on the frame to link the text. So let's prototype. You click on this, connect it to this, and it's going to be after delay 1 millisecond. Smart animate. Yeah, this is okay. Now you go to the second one, click on the frame, connect it after delay 1 millisecond. Smart animate linear 1000. Now you take this back to the first one, and it's going to be after delay 1 millisecond. Smart animate linear. Now you come back to design. You can just copy this from here, and we want to scale it down. So K on your keyboard, and then you scale, or you can just come here and add the number you want. So we want it to be like 95. Yeah, this is okay. You close the scale tool, then you bring it into the design. Make sure it's well aligned. Should be 16. I want it to be on the margin. The distance between these two, we can make it 32. All right, let's preview this and see what we have. Shift and space, and this is what we have. Wild adventure awaits you. Now you can use this in your designs, in your landing page designs or websites or mobile app, and just play around with it. So that will be it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's going to help it grow and it will make me happy. And if you need any video or any tutorial, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'll make out time to create those videos for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.